Hi, Liquid Little People. We have another really fun activity using those empty cardboard toilet paper rolls and upcycling them into an open-ended building activity. So what you are going to be using is your mind, your creativity, and then start to pull in some math and science concepts of slope and height and gravity, and then take it even a step farther and start asking, what if I used a bouncy ball instead of a marble? Will it change how quickly it goes through the maze? Can I use less toilet paper rolls or more toilet paper rolls? And kind of challenge yourself to make this a really fun activity. I hope you enjoy building it as much as I did watching all that rain fall down. Have a great one, guys. Bye.